Hello everyone! I am here to discuss a topic to you which is all about engineering. Engineering is the application of scientific, economic, social, and practical knowledge in order to design, build, and maintain structure like machines, devices, systems, materials, and processes. There are different fields of engineering, but I will choose one to discuss and that is what I am taking up now. Electronic Communication Engineering. Our job here is to design circuits to perform specific tasks such as amplifying electronic signals, adding binary numbers, and demodulating radio signals to recover the information that carry. Engineers are very useful in our society. They contribute a lot especially to our technology. They are the one who designed and built the machines, devices, and structures that we see around us. They also achieved great things throughout history. People working in engineering have contributed to their communities, countries, colleagues, and civilization by making tools, machines, and countless other things to help people improve their lives and progress onto better things. Thank you.